Mason Ridge. I hope this message finds you working hard on your e-learning and reading lots of good books. Take care. I miss you. Bye.
Hi, Mason Ridge. Hope you're having fun. Get outside with this gorgeous weather.
Mason Ridge. I miss you and I love you.
What's up, Mason Ridge? How's everyone doing? Hey, keep up the great work. You guys hang in there. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Mason Ridge kiddos, we miss you so much. Can't wait till we're together again.
Mason Ridge, we miss you guys at school. Hope you guys are all doing good at home. Keep up the great work.
Good morning, kindergarten friends. Be silly, be honest, be kind. Have a great day.
Hi, Mason Ridge. I hope you're all doing well. I miss seeing you. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Mason. I miss everybody. Hope you're all finding some good books to read and can't wait to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Mrs. McDermott's Mustang Masters and the rest of Mason Ridge kiddos. Just wanted to say that I miss you and I hope that you're having fun and staying safe during this time. See you soon.
Hi, Mason Ridge. We miss you.
Hi, Mason Ridge friends. Hope to see you all soon. Get out and enjoy the sunshine and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
I miss you all so much and I am so proud of all of you. Keep up all that hard work.
Hi Mason Ridge, it's Miss Schuler from the Outdoor Counseling Cabana. Have a great day today. Enjoy the sunshine.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Sortino. I just wanted to send a message to let you know that I've been thinking about you, I care about you, and I miss you dearly.
Hi 5th grade, I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Have fun at home and good luck on your e-learning.
Hi Mustangs, we love and we miss you.
Hi friends, it's Mrs. Solovic. I miss all of your smiles. Have a great day.
Hi Mason Ridge, we all miss you.
Hi Miss Ridge, be good. Love, take care of yourself, and miss you so much.